There's a couple different ways we can approach this problem. One of the ways is by looking at oxidation number. On the reactant side, we have NO3 with a -1 charge. So for oxidation number, we've got 3 times -2 equaling -1, and there's 1 nitrogen, so that's an X. This means we're going to have X minus 6 equals -1. Overall, X will end up being +5. If we look at the end of this, we have N2O3, which is where we ended up going, and we have 3 times -2 equaling 0. With this time there are 2 nitrogens, so 2x. 2x minus 6 equals 0. 2x equals 6. X equals +3. We are gaining electrons to go from +5 to +3. This is a reduction. Another way you can look at this is by the half reaction method, where we take our NO3 minus 1 and we go to our N2O3. The first step we're going to do is simply balance the main element. Now that's nitrogen. On one side we have 1, the other side we have 2. So we're going to double it here to make the nitrogens balance. So now we have 2 NO3 minus 1 going to form N2O3. When we go to the next part, we're looking at balancing the oxygens, and we do that by adding water. We have 6 oxygen on one side, 3 on the other, so I need to add 3 water to this side so that our oxygens balance. Now we have 2 NO3 minus 1 giving us N2O3 with 3 water. We balance the hydrogens by adding hydrogen ions, so we need to add 6 hydrogen to this side, leaving us with 2 NO3 minus 1 plus 6H plus, giving us N2O3 plus 3H2O. And again, we need to balance one more thing, and that's charge. On the right-hand side, we're neutral with no charge. On the left-hand side, we've got a -1 with the NO3, but there's 2 of them, so it's -2. We have 6 pluses from the hydrogen ions, so -2 and +6 leaves us with a +4. To become neutral, we need to add 4 electrons. So again, we're showing a reduction or adding of electrons going from our reactant side to our product side. Now you might wonder why it's +5 to +3 on when I did by oxidation number. Please don't forget, when we're looking at this, we have 2 nitrogens to 2 nitrogens. This side I only showed a direct value of what happened. So when it's balanced, it actually does work out to the same thing. So there we go, a reduction by adding 2 electrons to each nitrogen.